Manfred and I am the owner of the camper van Fred. In today's video I will go over the main kitchen utensils and the gas stove that we provide in Fred. Basically you have everything you need to cook meals, to prepare coffee, to prepare breakfast. All of that is provided as part of Fred, including a bunch of cleaning materials which you typically find in this little cupboard. So all of the kitchen utensils are covered here in this little cupboard. So at the bottom here you'll find everything you need to cook, cutlery, pots, pans, plates, a little cafetiere as well. So all of that is stored down there. And then here on the top in the back is actually the gas stove. It has a little place in there, so it's secured while driving. So let me get it out. So this is portable, which means the beauty of this is you can use it inside and outside. If possible, I would recommend to use it outside just for safety purposes and also for smell. If you do use it inside, I recommend to open the windows. So you have this window, for example, here, which you can open easily just like that. And then you also have the roof window here in the back, which you can open in the same way, so you have a nice circulation. It's just a recommendation just in case you want to cook inside. So now let's see how to operate this gas stove. It's very straightforward. Here you have the cartridge. So this is this blue gas cartridge. There will always be one in the gas stove and then a spare one in the storage in the back and the left of Fred. So you will find a new one, a spare one. And then in order to operate this, you basically first lock it down. You lock this mechanism down so that basically the gas cartridge then is engaged. So we can close this, and then you simply turn this wheel all the way to the bottom where you have a piezo which fires up the gas stove, okay? And then you can regulate the gas just like that, more or less. And to switch it off, you just put it back to off. So just to repeat this quickly, you turn this wheel all the way down until it makes this click sound, and it's on. It's as simple as that. And to switch it off, go back to off, and then disengage the cartridge. This is all there is. It's all very simple and straightforward, easy to use, very robust. Like I said, there's always a spare cartridge in the back, and this part, the gas stove, is usually stored here inside, underneath in the back. Okay. If you would like to learn more about Fred, or if you would like to book a trip with Fred, or for any other questions or comments, please feel free to check out campervanfred.com. Thanks for watching.